and do it 20 times. And think of a place where you are that you really enjoy. Let's say you're on a beach and do it 20 times and you think that you are walking on that beach. Okay? So just have that smile on your face and you do it for 20 times and you think you are walking on the beach. Now, after you've done this for 20 times, now think of any incident that gave you a lot of happiness. Whether you were with your friends, whether you were at home, whether you were in office, or something that gave you a lot of happiness. So after walking on the beach for 20 seconds, you take 20 steps. Then you go to that place where you go into that event which gave you a lot of happiness. Let's say there was a party, you were with friends, you were cracking jokes, or you were on a holiday. कहीं पे भी आप थे, but you had a very good time. Okay? So after doing this 20 times that you are on the beach, you've taken 20 steps, your mind will become clearer, right? You will feel much relaxed. And then you go to a happy place in your mind, and you keep just doing this, and then you come back and take a deep breath and let go. Your stress will go like whatever is bothering you, it will just go like this. It'll be in a second. क्योंकि stress कहाँ पे है? आपके mind में. आपको कोई काउंसलिंग नहीं करनी, आपको कोई स्मोकिंग नहीं करनी, आपको कोई किसी से बात नहीं करनी. You just be with yourself for a minute and you feel the difference. If you feel अभी भी नहीं हुआ, then you can do something else. But you must start with this. Okay? Very simple. 20 times on the beach. Then 20 seconds. Just relive an experience where you really enjoyed. Whatever it might be. Friends, family, office, जहाँ मर्जी. And then you see, when you come back, take a deep breath and see how you're feeling. So whenever you are feeling blocked, just do this. Everything will just unleash, open up, and you'll be good to go. Yeah?
I have one more question. The exercise you just told us right now that we're to wave off and imagine a place. But वो तो एक minute escape होता है ना from a problem. Back of your mind, though stress will be there. Like वो तो है ही ना. As soon as you open your eyes, तो मतलब रहेगा ही आपके साथ ही है.
ट्रॉमा रिमूव हो जाते हैं. आप वो माइन्यूट स्ट्रेस की बात कर रहे हो.
नहीं, I'm just asking you कि वो.
I'm telling you what all can it clear? It can clear traumas. We are talking of stress which is caused by an incident which happened in the last 1 hour, half an hour, or let's say previous day. That is nothing. That is like very, very minute or like very minuscule compared to this. You see, medication तो है, but along with medication, now they've realized that these alternate methods are proving to be more effective. Otherwise, वो medications वो कितने सालों साल medications पे रहते थे. Anyone who had a psychological issue, सालों साल. Now with this, they are curing people, in 1 day, in 1 hour, half an hour. And किसी को जरूरत पड़ गई तो they revisit the doctor and they redo the whole thing and it just goes. The thing is कि everything gets stored in the mind. अरे बात को समझो. Mind है कहाँ पे? No one has seen the mind. तो हम किस चीज से डर रहे हैं? It's non-existent. पर वो exist क्यों करती है? Because our beliefs keep bringing it back. We believe ये है, वो है. बुद्धा ने क्या कहा? You are what you think you are. You become what you think. And where is thinking? It's not in the body. It's metaphysical. So like I said, ये दो चक्रा जो हमारे हैं, the crown chakra and the third eye chakra, they are the ones who actually play the game. ये हमारे को metaphysical से physical में लाते हैं, and then below this are the 5 elements and the 5 chakras. And then each one of them have their own role. Each one of them have their own, character to play, and they are blocked by again the same thing, emotions. All negative emotions ये हमारी body में कहाँ आती हैं? ये chakras में फंसती हैं. Survival से लेके, growth से लेके, relationships, hatred, anger, jealousy, emotional, feeling insecure or unattended to, lack of love, to unable to express yourself. ये basically पांचों को आपको बता दिया. यही emotions हमको रोकती हैं. तो ये emotions जब हम कहते हैं कि they are in a memory bank, तो the memory bank is what it does is it just blocks the flow of the chakras. वो chakras की movement रोक देते हैं. So meditation is basically done so that we clear the path of these chakras. And how do we clear? In our imagination. We just visualize. So not today, we don't have time, but next time उसकी meditation कराएंगे how to clear these energy blocks which are in the chakra. And once you start doing that regularly, which takes just 10 minutes, ऐसे ही first class नींद आएगी ना, then you don't give a damn, क्योंकि पता है ये real तो है ही नहीं. जो problem है mind में ही है, it's not real. And you will find a solution. When you sleep well, morning में ऐसा उसका solution आपको निकलेगा, you will be surprised. ये कहाँ से ख्याल आ गया, right? This is what your space and what the power of quantum does. everything is being centered around your belief. आप कहोगे हो नहीं सकता, so be it, नहीं हो सकता. एक बहुत पहले ना एक एपिसोड आता था, मानो या ना मानो, किसी ने देखा है वो? तो क्या था ये? आप मानो तो सब कुछ है, ना मानो तो क्या, okay, it's nothing. It's the same thing. That is what life is. You believe in it or you don't. But now science and spirituality are so closely connected that one feels कि if that is what is happening in the real world, thanks to quantum, so why not in our subject? Okay, we do fine tuning where it is needed, but basically I have found that these 4-5 hacks that you do, things become pretty good. I mean, like they are hunky dory. And if not, then of course one can dwell into other areas and then get into the nitty gritties of what the subject has to talk about. But fundamentals are all taken care of. And it is not once. I'm saying it with experience. It happens, and it has happened repeatedly. So I'm convinced ये हमारे 4-5 जो hacks हैं आप ये follow करो and you will feel the difference. Some cases where things are very chronic or very deeply ingrained, yes, we might have to do other things. But I would say 75 to 80% of the time they are enough to take you through. Okay. So neuro-linguistic Vasu is just the same thing. Speak and act in alignment with space. Affirm clarity while facing north. This is something that you can do in the morning just before you leave for work. I'll just see where the north is, because north-south is the magnetic axis, and our thoughts are nothing but electromagnetic currents. Very, very fine, very subtle, but ये वही currents हैं, electromagnetic. So when you are looking at north from where the currents are originating and you are projecting your thoughts, or when you are projecting what you are wanting, you get support of the natural flow of the currents, which is in nature, at least on our planet. It's not in the universe, but on our planet it is there. So you just do this, would take not more than a minute or two, maybe a couple of seconds with practice. You see this limitless clarity and focused energy, again, it's a visualization, guided visualization plus persuasion statement practice. This is what you can do yourself, and the best time to do this is at night before sleeping. अपनी energy channel अपनी clear कर ली. That meditation we will do later, maybe next session. But once you feel कि okay, now there is clarity, there is clear, and then you visualize what you want. So what we are doing is this clarity will come to you when you are prepared for it. That meditation helps you. Let's say it forms a platform, it forms a playground for you now to play. And once you start playing with it, just do it 2-3 minutes before you sleep, and you start seeing the result in no time. And focused energy, obviously your energy will get focused by what you are visualizing, by what you are doing again and again. Your energy automatically comes to that. Okay.